am Fateen Shaikh, a BE Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering student from Sandip Institute of Engineering and Management. I am pleased to share I have received placement opportunity from Warner Electronics, Sambhajinagar. I am happy to begin my professional journey with Warner Electronics. I sincerely thank Dr. Sandip Jha sir for his vision and continuous support in creating academic and industry-oriented environment. I am also grateful to Principal Dr. Deepak Patil sir for his motivation, guidance and encouragement throughout the academic journey. I would also like to thank HOD Y.R. Risolkar sir for his valuable technical guidance and constant support. Special thanks to Central TPO, Dr. Prasad Kulkarni sir and TPO Professor Amit Kumar Mishra sir for his dedicated effort in training, placement, guidance and providing excellent placement opportunities. I am thankful for faculty members and placement team of Sandip Institute of Engineering and Management. Thank you.